So hello friends, I hope everyone is good. Are you studying in engineering college or are you preparing for an interview in computer science or computer application company but you don't have computer? What to do? Yes, I have a solve for you. If you don't have computer but you have one smart Android mobile phone, so this video is for you how to learn computer programming language in your Android mobile phone. Yes, it is. You can learn your programming language in your mobile phone because I like command line interface and I love to use Termux Terminal. So that's why without wasting your time, let's go to the the C language. You no need to install any another software from the Play Store, or you no need to install any text editor as compared to computer. You have to, for Python you have to install PyCharm or the another editor, means VS Code, Sublime Text Editor, Notepad++. So many editors are there. You have to install the software. Without the software you can't, otherwise you can program in the note, but and C language also like that. So if you don't have computer, say don't worry, I will solve your problem to run your C programming in this Termux terminal. So how? Let's go to the Termux terminal. Open your Termux terminal. In previous video I already shown you how to install the Termux terminal secure, safe and securely without any error. You can download from the description box. I will give in the description box the link. Otherwise you can check my previous video for installing the or download the Termux terminal. So now let's go to the command. So at first I will run the command package update $& package upgrade. It will run the packages all updated and upgrade. After then I will run also the apt update and apt upgrade. So using this, your all packages will be, or your all apt versions will be updated. Let it be update. Just press Y and enter. It will be little longer video because here I am using some different process how to install some little bit of package, and you can run your programming language in your Termux terminal on your Android device. So package updated done. Now apt update $& and I am using the $& because to run both command at a time. So apt upgrade, enter it, done. So now I write some syntax to show you something. Open keynotes. See, so here you can see at first you have to install Termux application, then type apt update or apt upgrade, which I already told. Then you have to install a text editor, but this is not a GUI, this is a CLI command, means CLI in editor, as this is an editor, simple editor. It is look like Windows Notepad. In this editor you can type anything and save it that particular file or particular format file. So you can run this command pkg install vim, otherwise you can run this command pkg install nano. So two editor is there to type your code and save it into a format, and then you can run it. Okay, let's install the nano editor. I will choose the nano editor because it's so fast to write a text into this editor. Pkg, its package, and install nano. So it's already installed because before I already installed it. So now for C language, run your C language, you need to install one C lang. Without the C language, means without the C lang library, you can't run your code. C code means in computer also you can see for Python, for run a Python command or for run a Python code or for run a C code, you have to install that software. Suppose you want to run C code, then you have to install, you have to run clang software. If you want to run Java code, then you have to install the Eclipse software. If you want to run Python code, then you have to install VS Code or the Python library. Python, because of Python extension, you have to add some path. But in this case, in Termux Terminal, you don't need to worry about the path. You don't need to worry about the extension. It's very simple. Literally, I'm saying it's very simple. It's smoother than computer. It will be done because here you no need to think about the path. You no need to think about the extension. It automatically detect if you install the library file. For C language, for C programming language, you have to install the clang. Okay, then first I will install the clang software, means the application. You can say package install clang, then enter. Before I already installed it, otherwise the video will be more than 1 hour. Now this is done. For C language, I already installed the clang package. So done. Let's go to my note. Now clang installed. Now create a file. How you can create? Any file. How you can create? Already you have installed nano text editor. Using the nano text editor, you can run or you can type any syntax, anything, and save it that file. You can save that file into your folder. I will use the nano text editor for run any file, for type the programming. Okay, then first I will list it out where I am now. Okay, cd storage directory. Okay, one thing I will tell you, here I can see my storage device. I can access my storage devices because in previous video I already shown you how to access the storage devices. If you didn't see, then you can go to my playlist and you can check the video how we can access our storage device to access all of the folders from the drive listed out. Okay, I will make a directory mkdir for making a directory for C programming. If you want to give a space or a file, then you have to type the underscore C programming. Done, listed out. So C programming, one file has been created. Now go to C underscore programming, enter, listed out. Here I have no files. So here I will make a text file using the nano text editor. How? Just type nano and then file name. Here you have to remember what file you want to create. A text file, a .c file, means the C programming file, or Python file. That extension you have to add out after the file name. So I will type the fast program .c. So I will write fast program of C language in Termux Terminal. Now enter. See, here nano text editor has been open. Now here for you I already created one program, simple hello world program. Later I will discuss about the C programming. I will teach you the C programming. For now you don't need to worry about that. Copy the, then paste it over here. Done. See, you can see already the code is colorful. It's look cool, isn't? So now by pressing ctrl+x, then press Y for save it, and then press ctrl+m for go back to previous page. Done. You can see here what is the sentences, what is the program syntax in your code. Using the cat command you can check your program. So let me check cat fast program.c. Enter. See, here you can see your program is there, which you already stored in C file, fast program.c. listed out. One program is there. You can see only one program is there. how you can compile. Before I install one clang library or clang file, or you can say clang package. Without the package, you can't compile any C programming. You can type your program, but you can't run. It will be compiled before to run. After then you can run your code, C code. So first program.c, how you can compile this program? Using the clang command. Clang, then type the first underscore. The keys are case sensitive. You have to write as it is program.c. Enter it. So nothing has been problem in the code. For that you can, if anything will be problem in this code, then it will give some error. So after fixing, you will get it is compiled. Now listed out here one output a.out name is there. Why? What is this? Because clang already compiled that file and he given one output. By running this output folder, you can check the output of the program, of the C program. How you can run? Just type this command dot slash and the file name a.out. As simple as that. Enter it. See, hello world. Here you can see this is the C program and this is the output. So printf means it printing the hello world. If you change it in your code, again you can change using the nano command. So nano, the program name, you will go to the command prompt, means the nano editor. You can change any file and you can run your code also. You can run your code or another code you can type. So after you will get your output of the output file of the C program. Done. If you want to learn at a time C program and Python program, then you need in computer, you need to run one software, type with the extension .c, and after then you need to run another software to run the Python program with the .py extension. You need also add the path and the extension. Sometimes it get error because I faced some problems with the computer, with this software like PyCharm, Visual Studio Code. But here I'm sure you will not get error. If any problem you will get, then let me know. I will try to solve your problems. Just comment out here, then I will solve your problem. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel.